Welcome, my name is Cece. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
It's alright, I'm famous already, right?
It's facing me. Oh, so funny. So guys, it's 5 a.m. Just heading to London. My train's actually at 5:27, so I'm half asleep. In today's vlog, I'm taking you to London with me, where I'm doing a campaign with Lesmills. I'm creating some fitness content with Lesmills Live. They're doing a live fitness event in central London. Off to get my connecting train in Birmingham. So I'm just making my way to London. It's actually, I had to get up at 4 o'clock this morning, so I'm still quite, I'm still half asleep. But anyway, I am in Birmingham at the moment. I'm just having my Pret, my oat latte. Hopefully it's going to keep me awake and buzzing for the weekend. So my train is in a few minutes, so I'm just going to sit here, enjoy my cup of tea, and then I'm heading straight to London. It just feels so strange going all the way to London without my sister, because we do everything together. She loves photography and she helps me to create most of my content, although sometimes obviously I have to work with different photographers and videographers, but it's nice to have someone that actually has a vision of the idea of the content that you'd like to create. Just arrived in London, just going to get the underground. Actually managed to sleep a couple of hours because actually my train was like 3 hours. Well, not 3 hours. I actually managed to sleep for a couple of hours, so I feel refreshed and I'm ready for the day. Just arrived in London. I'm just going to go and get the underground now, so see you later. If you don't know what Lesmills is, Lesmills is a fitness movement that has so many workouts. So it's got like group fitness workouts, healthy living advice, exercise equipment. It was founded by former Olympian Lesmills. He started the training in his first gym in New Zealand, which was a simple operation of basic strength and cardio training for a small community of athletes. And then this grew into a global movement. Guys, it's just so loud, honestly. I've just arrived and the energy is just insane. Let me just show you around. It's a bit dark though. This is basically like a workout party with live music and live workouts with live instructors. I've never attended anything like this before, so I'm quite excited. And the funny thing is, I'm actually very sensitive to noise, but then when I got here I felt energized and just ready to get on with the workouts. Today I'm attending the wellness session, which includes Body Balance and Lesmills Core. Body Balance is a yoga class that helps you to improve your flexibility and increase your core strength while reducing stress levels. The session actually ended with a short meditation, which helped me to feel calm, positive and centered. This was one of my favorite things, which is Body Combat, which is available in a virtual reality experience. I really loved that. I actually felt like I was in a totally different place, and I love that Body Combat VR app actually makes fitness exciting and makes it fun by fusing fitness and virtual reality. I also got to test out the Lesmills equipment, and for me the total body reinvention pack was just perfect, because it's like having your own private gym with you with all the equipment. The Stages indoor cycling bikes were just awesome. I enjoyed them so much that I really wish I could take one of them home with me, because all you need to do is just pop on the bike and then choose a workout from the screen and just get going. I really enjoyed them. As if testing the equipment wasn't enough, I went on to do the workout. So this was one of the workouts that I did. There's just something totally different about the atmosphere when you're working out live with so many people in sync. It was absolutely amazing. They actually had well over 3,000 people attend this live fitness event. So this is Lesmills core. Guys, I have a really strong core, like for real. But then actually these workouts really got me. They really got me. I don't know if you noticed, I did have to stop in the middle while everyone was working out because the burn. The burn. I am definitely going to be incorporating Lesmills core to my workout routine because I found that it helped me target certain muscle groups that I haven't been able to hit with my daily workouts. So this is me after Lesmills live, and you know guys, I squat like 100 kg and I go to the gym every day, but I've actually felt that was a challenge. The workouts were quite a challenge, so I think I'm definitely going to incorporate some of them into my workout regimen, and I'm probably going to put a few clips of the whole workout and what we did and everything, and the muscles that, you know, the muscle groups that we targeted, and it was absolutely amazing. But also have a look at this view. This view is absolutely, this is awesome. So Lesmills live. Let me just show you this view. Look at this. How beautiful is that? And the weather's absolutely amazing as well. So I am going to look for somewhere to eat now because I'm starving after that workout. And then I am going to head off back home, and I've got a lot of editing to do. As I was leaving, I came across the future of racing. This is the new Formula E racing car, which is actually an electric racing car, which is more sustainable. It's actually faster, and I think the sound is actually only like 80 decibels. This new electric Formula E race car can reach a maximum speed of 280 kilometers an hour, compared to the top reaching speeds for Formula One, which are about I think 400 kilometers an hour or 390 something kilometers an hour. Formula E can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.8 seconds. Imagine that, guys. 2.8 seconds. I've had an amazing session and I've got so much content, so I'm heading back to London Euston to get my train now. So I've just got to London Euston and I can't travel back home just now because look at this. No trains have been running for 2 hours for some reason. I will find out why in a minute, but yeah, I might just go and get something to eat and then come back. So this is everyone waiting for their trains, and they've been waiting for 2 hours apparently. I've just got here. It's not always, it is always busy, but not this busy. So I don't know what time I'll be getting home. So much for being environmentally friendly and deciding to get the train. So delayed, cancelled, delayed. Since my train's delayed, I decided to come and get something to eat. I was hungry anyway, so I just ordered some noodles and some vegan meatballs, which are made out of pea protein from Euston. Let me just show you. So this is how they look, and from Euston. And this is my view. I'm still in London Euston. I thought it was going to be really cold today, so I've got my coat, but I'm also wearing my hoodie, the Star Wars one. But my outfit is obviously Prezio. I am going to do a haul because they sent me all their new collection, but this is all from their old collection. And I've also got their new backpack, which has been quite handy today because I've got my tripod inside, I've got my water bottle, I've got my towel, I've got everything that I thought I was going to need for the Lesmills live event. I will show you the press your outfit after I've had my food, so let me eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe, and see you in the next one.